So, His Royal Highness, the Duke of Edinburgh, Prince Edward, here with us, is the second Duke to visit the kingdom in nearly 62 years.
Well, very much in our thoughts about it. I'll make sure I can pass this on, and much appreciated. So thank you very much. Then there is a present. This is for the king. This is for you. Oh, yes. And this I'd like to pass to, please. Absolutely. Just as a token of my appreciation and to all of you.
Under the International Award, at the reception at the High Commissioner's residence, in honor of the Duke's visit on Monday in the evening, and I was touched by their enthusiasm.
Greatly disturbed by the colonial incursions. Fights with the Germans, the French, the British. The British won the day, and he was deposed actually, and sent for sessions next.
So that marks the signing of the Memorandum of Understanding between the Kingdom of Buganda and the Duke of Edinburgh International Awards. A big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen.
70% of the nearly 14 million people in the Kingdom of Buganda are below the age of 30. So we should not talk about the future without focusing on them, which makes this royal visit and the envisaged collaboration most timely.